You might be wondering the all
Look over there again.
of the excitement.
Look over there, Eli.
Come on, camera. Focus. Eli is seeing fireworks for the first time. We're letting him stay up late this year. What did you see in the sky? What was it? Wow! Is that so cool, Elijah? I mean, he was like screaming at the top of his lungs. Almost, what, 3 months shy of 3 years old?
2 months.
2 months shy.
Actually, no, it's July, 1 month.
Oh my gosh.
1 month and
Wow, 23 months, no,
August
30,
11th and
5
today
months
is July
old?
4th.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
So he's 1 month and a week away.
First of all, embarrassing about my bad math right there. Second of all, I can't believe we're only a month away. You say bye to the camera?